So in the previous video you saw past tense and its subtypes. Now let us come to the next type of the tense, that is future tense and its subtypes. Students, future tense is used to express the actions which will take place in the future. That means they have not taken place yet. In the past also there is no relation. In the coming time, the action which are going to perform, they are expressed by the future tense. Then in future tense also there are four types of the tenses. First one is simple future tense. The structure of simple future tense is subject and will or shall, then verb in the first form, and then other part of the sentence. Example, I will play football. You can see here I is subject, will, and then first form of the verb, and then other part of the sentence. I will play football. That means in the coming time I am going to play football. So this is a simple future tense. Come to the next subtype, future continuous tense. See the structure of future continuous tense. Subject and then will or shall, and then be, then verb in the ing form, and then other part of the sentence. See the example, I will be playing football tomorrow. See here. I will be playing football tomorrow means in the future the action is continuous. It is not a regular action like I will play football. But in future the action of playing football, action of the playing football will be continued. It will go on. So it is called as future continuous tense. I will be playing football tomorrow. I will be reading a book tomorrow. My father will be giving me a book. Like this, we can use this structure to express the future continuous actions. Now come to the next one, future perfect tense. See the structure, subject and then will or shall, then have. See, subject plus will or shall and have, and then verb in the third form, and then object or other part. See the example, I will have played football. Now from this sentence, from this type of the tense, we can understand that in future the action of playing football is completed before some time. It is not continuous. It is not a regular one. In future time, it will have completed. It will be completed before some time. And such actions are shown by using future perfect tense. Action is completed in future. And to show such actions, we use future perfect tense. Now come to the next one, future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus will or shall, and then have, then been, and verb in the ing form and object or other part. See the example, I will have been playing football or I shall have been playing football. Students, we can understand that in the future the action is completed, will be completed. It is completed, but it is not totally completed, it will be going on. To show such actions, we use future perfect continuous tense. Some action will be completed and some action will be going on. This is the use, or to show such actions, we use future perfect continuous tense. So students, these are the four subtypes of future tense. I hope you understood three main types of the tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense, and the four subtypes of each three types of the tenses. That means there are overall 12 subtypes of the three main types of tenses. These are very important. This is a very important part of the grammar. To learn English grammar or to become perfect in English, you have to concentrate on the tense. So study well. Thank you very much.